Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix easy anti-cheat error code 30005. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to completely close the game you are in. So in my particular case it was Rocket League. So completely close Rocket League and the launcher as well. So there should be no tasks of that particular launcher, right? Then what you need to do here is to go to this PC, then go to disk C, then go to program files x86, and then you should see easy anti-cheat folder and easy anti-cheat EOS, right? So click on it, then select view, show, make sure file name extensions is enabled, and then you should see easy anti-cheat CYS file. So you just need to delete that particular file and then launch the game and your problem should be fixed. Also, before starting the game, don't forget to press on three dots here, and then you need to go to or just press on the game here, and then press on the three dots. Then you see this window here, press manage, and then verify files, and it should work. So that's pretty much it.